allow me to intervene for 10 minutes. It will have a different course of direction.
Intervene right now. Let him argue.
All right. My lord, if you go by seniority, I am 66, I am senior. But we have followed a different rule. I have no quarrel. Mr. Tushar Mehta, you are only 59. Junior to me in bar and age. Yes. Please don't insult seniors.
Any group matter, one person leads.
No, my lord, I only take 10 minutes, my lord.
We are also.
No, because I believe that he is.
Second, Mr. Edumbara, it would be wrong to say that he has taken time. We are also.
No, I am not blaming anybody, my lord. I am only requesting 10 minutes to be given to me. Then, my lord, relieve me. That's all. When I speak, when I wanted to speak, your lordship prevents me.
You please sit down.
No, I'm among the lawyers here, I am the senior most.
Sorry, you are not an amicus. I have not appointed.
No, I am appearing for 16 students.
Right.
When I wanted to speak, the Honorable Chief Justice prevent me from speaking.
Mr. Matthew,
And I have an answer.
He is arguing. You will not interrupt him when he is
I am not interrupting, but I have an answer to say. I have an answer to give.
You don't answer my question. He is answering the question.
Okay, then it's a general question. It's a general
I'm not
question.
telling you he's on his
No, I am not interested in the
He is on
engagement
his
with the Honorable Chief Justice, but I wanted to say.
You please sit down. I'll have to have you removed from the court. You please sit down. I'm warning you. I'll have to have you removed from
No,
the
your
court.
lordship doesn't respect me.
One second.
My own will leave.
Mr. Matthews, I'm telling you one very simple thing. Mr. Huda is engaged in a.
Your lordship have tried every best not to allow me to speak and put forward my
no
convention.
right to intervene.
I'm not intervening, I'm leaving.
Yes.
But one thing is said, I wanted to say, I wasn't allowed to speak.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
When I was speaking, your lordship was showing the other side.
Yes, Mr.
And I have only one word to say. Only
Yes,
one word
Mr.
leaving.
Mr.
One word to
Matthews,
say.
please call the security people. Have him removed from the court, please.
I have only one to say.
You will not say anything. You will not speak to the gallery. You will listen to me. I am in charge of my courtroom.
Listening.
You just keep quiet now. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda.
I'm leaving.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Unfair.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Mate, please.
This is not a judicial.
Mr. Matthews, I will now be constrained to issue something which is very unpleasant. Please keep quiet. Sit down here. You want to leave? It's your choice.
I'm leaving.
You don't have to. You do not have to intervene. You don't have to tell me that you are leaving. Yes.
No, because I sought permission.
I
sought permission to speak.
Matthews, you will not interrupt Mr. Huda. I will hear you, but I'll hear you after Mr. Huda is done. I am in charge of procedure in this court, and I've seen this court. I've seen the judiciary for the last 24 years. I will not allow any lawyer to dictate the procedure of the court.
I
will give you a full hearing, but after Mr. Huda
all right.
Yes.
I have been
Huda.
judiciary since 1979.
Yes.
Since 79.
May I, my lord,
This is contemptuous.
What you are talking?
my response is, my lord, straight away.